Hello for everyone. Today I will talk about correlation and regression. These topics are very important in business statistics. They help us understand how two variables are connected. Also, they help us make predictions using real data. Correlation means a relationship between two variables. Usually we have x and y. X is independent variable and y is dependent variable. This means x can influence y but not always directly. To see correlation, we often use a scatter plot. Each point on the graph shows one pair of values. If the point follows a line, we may have linear correlation. For example, we have compared GDP and CO2 emissions. There are different types of correlation. Positive correlation means when x increase, y also increase. Negative correlation means when x increase, y decrease. If there is no clear pattern, then there is no correlation. To measure correlation, we use the correlation coefficient R. It shows how strong and in which direction the relationship is. The value of R is between -1 and +1. For population data, we use the symbol RHO. If R is closer to +1, the correlation is strong and positive. If R is close to -1, it's strong and negative. If R is close to 0, there is no linear correlation. For example, R is equal 0.88 shows strong positive correlation. Correlation does not mean causation. This is a very important idea in statistics. Two variables can move together, but one may not cause the other. Sometimes a short variable affects both of them. After correlation, we use linear regression. Regression finds the best line that fits the data. The equation of this line is y hat equals mx plus b. This line helps us predict future values. We can use regression to predict y values. For example, we can predict CO2 emission using GDP, but prediction works only inside the data range. Outside the range, the result may not be accurate. In conclusion, correlation shows the relationship between variables. Regression helps us make prediction. These mentions are widely used in business and economics. They help people make better decisions using data. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.